So the how to begin to practice the Buddhism meditation. So awareness, in Buddhist what we call the awareness is like space. Free, present, genuine, pure. But how we can connect with awareness is quite difficult because it's so easy. It's become difficult. So then we use some kind of like, at the beginning, simple object to connect with awareness. So you can connect with the breath. So how to do? You just nose to your breathing. Do you have breath? Right now, you have breath, right? So if you know you have breath, that is awareness. Awareness about the breath. But many people misunderstand about the meditation. So they think meditation is think of nothing, only breath. Stop all the thought, emotion, concentrate. Or pleasing out, peace, openness. So these all are misunderstood about meditation. So the main thing is about just be naturally with the breath, and then whatever thought, emotion come, let them go. As long as if you not forget your breath, anything's okay. What state of your mind doesn't matter. Whatever thought, emotion comes to your mind doesn't matter. Everything allowed. It's completely free. But just be awareness, be with your breath. So that's the starting point. And then step by step, you go back to your body. Then you go back to your mind. Then see the innate quality of the mind. Then in the end, you see the full awareness, full picture. So you can be with the space. It doesn't mean stop thought and emotion. Space allowed to have a cloud. Whatever cloud is okay. Beautiful cloud, ugly cloud, storm or blue sign with sun shining, blue sky with sun shining. It's same. So then life become wonderful.